Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing, look and review at the Bose Sports Earbuds True Wireless new model that just released. We have the 805-746-0010 in black. So let's open it up and take a look. Nice presentation when you open the box. Here's the pill style cabinet or coffin for the buds. It is a bit large compared to the AirPod Pros. Pretty nice, pretty large. These are the new proprietary tip wings, which normally you have bud companies that have one piece here and then one piece here, but this is all a single piece. So cradle's kind of nice. Your Bluetooth connection there. That's your battery level or the internal battery of the case, and latches. It won't come up, open easily. And it's kind of interesting. It's spring loaded. Check that out. See, it like snaps back. You open it. Pretty nice. Good UI. Good UX. We got USB 3.1 C type connector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair these with my phone. I'm going to spend the next day trying them out, and I will report back. Let's just see what else you get in the box. You get your instruction manual, other wing tips, USB 3 cable, and like a silica gel underneath there, or what? Yeah. Oh, that was there. And is there anything? Just a bigger instruction manual. Alright, so fairly straightforward. Doesn't come with a brick to charge. A lot of the Bluetooth headphone companies or a lot of the tech companies in general are just including the cable these days, not the power adapter. They figured people have so many of those. So I'm here on the app, just going to accept all the terms and whatnot, signing in. Of course, we're going to allow notifications, no problem. And go to headphones, and search. And I already paired this with my wife's phone, so it does find them. But it seems to be an issue that I found, and I spent about 20 minutes trying to get them to pair with my phone and my Bose account as well. And they would not allow it. So what I had to do is I had to go to her phone and remove and unpair it from her account. So I originally paired these guys here with my wife's phone, and it registers the serial number and whatnot, and it was pretty difficult to actually remove from her account on the Bose Music app. Because I wanted to take some videos and some screenshots as they were paired to my phone. So now that I got it removed from her account, it won't pair with my Bose Music app. So I've begun the factory reset process where you plug the cable into the back for 5 seconds and you wait 1 minute. So hopefully our friend there, don't want to say her name. Okay, well now that it's done, so I'm gonna try to actually see if that reset process worked and repair them. And this was the main issue I was having. No matter how many times I press the Bluetooth button, it wasn't actually flashing blue. So now that I've done that reset process, it looks like it is working here. Yeah, so it does work now. So that reset process did work because it was not working without doing that. So once again, it's on the Bose website, but you plug in to the wall for 5 seconds, and then you let it sit for 1 minute. Then you open it and try to do the repairing process again. All right, so now we're gonna try to pair again. Finally, it comes up, so I'm gonna pair it. So, lots of little tiny issues getting these things to work. App is not installed, which is weird because it says open. I have it, so I guess it's the default error. Okay, so we're good. We're connected. So yeah, we got voice assistant. I'm sure we'll get Amazon and Google in the future, but I believe right now it only has Siri on the iPhone. Just going through the different menus. So it's touch buttons on the side, and then there's a shortcut buttons as well that you can program. All right, so main menu here. It's kind of trivial to put a volume button here. Back to the product tips, and here's all the various settings. You can name the device, some pre-canned names, or enter a custom name. And then they have all these great helpful tutorials of how to put it in, how the different components come together, and everything's guided through these workflows. The in-ear detection is fantastic. The auto answer call disabled by default, but could be pretty good. So the shortcut is a cool idea. Hear battery level or skip forward in the track. I mean, you always need to skip tracks, so it's kind of nice that they give you an option to change. Maybe we'll get some more options in the future. And then anything that it could be optionally paired to, that's the different devices, but same account for the best scenario. So obviously, other than the pairing issues, once those are out of the way, and if you actually make it through them without getting too frustrated, they are the best quality headphones that like I personally have ever used in my life. And I've used probably about 25 different headphones, ranging from name brand to clones, and yeah, these are fantastic. Great for sports, running, they stay in your ear. The proprietary wingtip is awesome, and yeah, just the most fantastic audio quality you can kind of get for this price point. I know there's some Sony ones, and I believe some other companies that are around the $250 Canadian or the, I believe, $199 US dollar mark, but this is the best bang for your buck. Great battery life, 6 to 8 hours. Completely impressed, head over heels in love with these Bose in-ear buds. I hope you guys liked this review, and if you did and you want to see more cool product reviews, sports videos, and how-to guides, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.